In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pants on Roblox. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Roblox on any web browser. Then go to the top menu and select on the option that says Create. Then go ahead and select on the option that says Learn and go ahead and press on Overview. Then press on this blue button that says Search Docs. Go ahead and look up Roblox shirt like so. So go ahead and just look it up. And then, yep, you should see an option that says classic clothing. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it like so. And then you want to scroll all the way down until you get these two images. So what you need to do from here is you need to download the image on the right, which is this one, because this is the pants template. So all we're going to be doing now is we're going to go ahead and just right click on it. Then we're going to be pressing on save image as, and then we're going to save it to our device just like so. And there you go. Yep, it is right over here. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up a new tab, and then you want to look for this website called Photopea. So go ahead and just look it up online, and then make sure you select on the official photopea.com website. So go ahead and press on it like so, and then it should bring us to a page that looks like this. And all we're going to be doing from here is we're going to be dragging and dropping the template that we did just download. So yep, mine is right over here. You could obviously find yours in your file explorer and then selecting on downloads, but basically you should get something that looks like this once you went ahead and open up the file. Now there's a few important tools that you guys really need to know before you actually start, making your pants, and that is zooming in. So in order to zoom in, you want to go ahead and press on Control and then the plus button like so, and then yep, it will now show us everything much closer. So now the first thing that we need to do from here is we need to go ahead and cut out the actual Roblox template. So basically we need to go ahead and erase all the colored boxes. So the way we're going to be doing that is we're going to be going to the left menu and select over here on the rectangle select. And then we're going to go ahead and basically select on all the boxes just like so. And then once it's selected, go ahead and press on backspace on your keyboard. And then go ahead and just do it until you completely removed everything. So I'm going to go ahead and just do it for this part. And then I'm going to scroll down and then do it for the legs. So I'll be right back with you guys once I'm went ahead and done with this. Okay, once you're done with that, you should get something that looks like this. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're actually going to start customizing our pants. So here's where you guys can start getting creative and basically have a ton of fun. So what I really recommend that you guys do is open up another tab and then just look up some pants texture like so. And then go over here to where it says images. And then over here, it'll provide you with a bunch of images that you guys could utilize to texture your pants. So I'm just going to go ahead and just press on this one over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and right click on it, press on save image as, and then just save it to my desktop. Then I'm going to return back to Photopea. And then I'm going to go ahead and select on this button in the top left that says file. Then go ahead and press on this option that says open and place. And then you want to go ahead and basically open up the file. All right, so I got the pants texture over here. And now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and adjust it so it fits the entire template like so. Just like this. And then what we're going to be doing from here is we're actually going to be going to the right menu over here where you can see all the layers. We need to go ahead and drag it below the background layer just like so. And then, yep, it should fit in with our template just like this. And obviously from here, feel free to go ahead and basically add other designs that you want. It is completely up to you. Additionally, you don't actually have to use pants texture. You can go ahead and just look up any type of styled color and then use that as your pants. So it really is up to you in deciding what you want to do. You're not limited to just what I picked. You can go ahead and basically do whatever you want. And from here, you can go ahead and add any type of logos and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, once you went ahead and finished designing your Roblox pants, all you want to do is you want to go up here to where it says file once more. But this time you want to go ahead and press on export as and select on PNG just like so. Then go ahead and give your file a name. So I'm just going to be calling it tutorial pants like this. And then you don't need to adjust anything else. You can just go ahead and change the name and go ahead and press on save. And yep, it is now saved onto our device. Then you want to head back over to Roblox. And this time you want to go ahead and press on create one more time. But then you want to go ahead and press on creations. Then go ahead and select on avatar items. And over here, make sure you select on classics. But this time, make sure that you do select on classic pants just like this. And all you got to do from here is drag and drop your pants file that you did just make. Again, if you don't see it in the top right, you guys could always open up your file explorer and then locate it in the downloads. And then from here, you can go ahead and give your pants a name, a description, and stuff like that. And in order to upload it, you will need 10 Robux, which is a little bit unfortunate, but just please keep that in mind. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload it really quickly. And then it's going to ask you to confirm, so just go ahead and press on upload. And again, it will cost 10 Robux. And yep, guys, here it is. And then if we go back to avatar items, we select on classic, and then we select on pants. Yep, we should see the tutorial pants that we did just make. So here is how it does look like. And then at any point in time, you guys could go to your avatar, and then you should see the pants that you did create. So yep, here is how things do look like for me. As you're able to tell, I do have my pants, which honestly do look pretty cool. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.